Laurie May, what's your favorite color? Yellow?
Hey, Paul.
We have no yellow! I know! Wait, here! I got good news! I have some yellow paint!
Yeah! That's blue! That's blue!
Oh, it's blue!
You need to go get another one!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.